BPL 2025 Khulna Tigers team full and final squad. Friends, please subscribe my channel for next update video. BPL 2025 Khulna Tigers team full and final squad. Number 1 Mahmudullah Riyad. Number 2 Azmatullah Omarzai. Number 3 Brandon King. Number 4 Ihsanullah. Number 5 David Miller. Number 6 Inamul Haq Bijoy. Number 7 Nasum Ahmed. Number 8 Mohammad Naib. Number 9 Nahidul Islam. Number 10 Shai Hope. Number 11 Evan Lewis. Number 12 Faim Ashraf. Number 13 Dhananjay De Silva. Number 14 Afif Hussain. Number 15 Gulbadin Naib. Number 16 Alamin Hussain. Number 17 Habibur Rahman. Number 18 Parvez Hussain Imun. Friends, please subscribe my channel for next update video. Thanks for watching.